Hello beautiful friends, Jill here. Welcome back to a Spring Willow farm. I am in fact sitting in the greenhouse on the hill enjoying my cup of coffee, hiding from all the people. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving, just indulging in all the great food, all the fellowship, really just being reminded why you're thankful and taking the time in the day to just really reflect on that. So I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I am actually about to be out here doing a bunch of chores, and since it is the day after Thanksgiving, I'm not wanting to do a ton of work today, so I thought I would just take you guys along. A lot of it's probably going to be time-lapse. Most of this is shot on my GoPro, and I'm just going to take you guys along for the morning after Thanksgiving chores. It's been a little crazy around here. We ate way too much food, but man, I wouldn't have it any other way. So cheers, and I hope you enjoy. I did want to detour for just a minute, show you guys some of my cabbages. We were able to actually have some of these for Thanksgiving, which felt really good. Check that out, y'all. These are big heads of cabbage. Yes, super encouraging. All right, so Monday you're gonna have a tunnel tour coming in hot, but I'm gonna give you a really quick rundown. Hope y'all enjoy. chickies. And then we have officially fed all the animals. We ended up getting, gosh, over a dozen eggs yesterday. It's pretty early in the morning. Usually our hens don't lay until later in the afternoon. So that was pretty typical. I'm gonna run out into the garden real quick, wrap this video up, show you how beautiful things are in here. Man, it's such a good day. Friends, that's a wrap of the morning after Thanksgiving here on the farm. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope you eat lots of good food and have lots of wonderful fellowship. We'll talk to you soon.